Sinharaja is a great natural rainforest in Sri Lanka. It is located in the lowland wetland of Sri Lanka. This forest is located in the middle of the Golmatha and Ratnapura districts of Sri Lanka. Is surrounded by several rivers. Everyone believes this is come back from prehistory. The present total land area of Sinharaja is about 11,187 hectares. Lions have lived in Sri Lanka since ancient time, and this forest is also inhabited by one giant lion. Because of that, it is called Sinharaja. The rock plateau where the lion lived can still be seen here under the name Sinharaja. This forest is perfected by beautiful geographical features like rivers, mountains, slopes, plains, and rock peaks. This is a marvelous creation of natural beauty.